This video lecture demonstrates the execution of the shell script to determine the length of the string using expr command. The problem statement of the shell script exercise is to develop a shell script to read a string and then determine the length of the string. Now let us observe the demonstration of the execution of the shell script. The file expr01 is opened by giving a command vi expr01 at the $prompt. The complete shell scripts are displayed by the VI editor on the screen. We shall try to understand the working of each shell script line by line. The first line of the script is command line. The command line starts with hash character in UNIX. The command line will not be executed by the shell script. The second line of the script is echo command. Echo enter a string is given inside the double quotes. This echo command will display enter a string on the display device. The third line of the script is read S1. This will read the input from the standard input device. The input read will be assigned to the variable S1. The fourth line of the script is an assignment script. Len equal to backquote expr length $s1 backquote. Backquote is used for command substitution. When the shell encounters a string between backquotes, it executes the command given inside the backquotes and replaces the backquoted string with the standard output of the command. Here, expr length $s1 is given inside the backquotes. Hence, expr will evaluate the length of the string s1 and the final result will be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, namely len. The fifth line of the script is echo command. Echo the inputted string is $s1. This echo command will print the string the inputted string is as it is, and in place of $s1 it will print the value of s1. The last line of the script is also an echo command. Echo the length of the inputted string is $len. This echo command will print the string the length of the inputted string is as it is, and in place of $len it will print the value of len. To come out of the VI editor, we press escape:WQ so that the editor saves the file and comes out of the VI editor and returns to the $prompt. To run the shell script, which is available in the file name expr01, we give the command shexpr01 at the $prompt. The script file is executed and the UNIX shell displays enter a string on the screen. The user has to give the input. If the user gives the input as shell scripting, then the shell outputs two lines, namely the inputted string is shell scripting, the length of the inputted string is 14. The same shell script file is executed again by giving the command shexpr01. Again the shell has displayed enter a string on the display device. Then the user has to give the input. If the user gives the input as today, then the shell returns two lines of output, namely the inputted string is today, the length of the inputted string is 5. Thank you.